Hello traders, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 20th September and Nifty ends this week at 25,790 and Bank Nifty at 53,793. See, in this video I'm going to cover Nifty, Bank Nifty, broader markets and commodities like silver, natural gas, crude oil, and from this week onwards I'm planning to give one stock. That is like it's not a recommendation, just thought of covering one stock per week, like a stock which can be nearing the end of correction or nearing the end of impulse, that is something near the turning points. Watch the video fully for better understanding. Right. Before proceeding to the weekend market analysis, I need to clarify one thing. Recently, I'm receiving comments like I'm always saying two things or alternatives, right? See, in my opinion and suggestion is, if you want to survive in stock markets for a long period, you should always approach the market with two things. One is primary view and second is alternate view. Okay, primary view is your trading idea and trading method, and the alternate view is the risk management. I will clarify this point with reasons and example, okay, so that you can understand that you should always have an alternate view. Fine. See, to talk about the Nifty, let me share a few things. This I shared on June 5th, okay, the Bank Nifty and other indices, the same message. Considering Bank Nifty taking support from very important channel support and Nifty almost, okay, some conditions like taking support, I said that hopefully I am assuming the correction spot has been over. So this is the primary view. For example, if the price keeps on going down, I need to alter my view, right? So what is that level? So for that only, I am sharing the alternate view and also with the levels. Okay, if you understand the Elliott waves, these are very, very important things. Let me share the chart from June 5. You can simply see even here. Okay, June 5 is here. This is the area I said all indices, including Nifty, Bank Nifty, and broader markets. Okay, Nifty, Bank Nifty, mid cap, small cap, correction spot has been over. From that date, the price making only higher highs. And you can check in Bank Nifty here, June 5. Broader markets here, June 5. All right. So all other indices here, mid cap 150. All indices made bottom and price moved higher highs. Okay. Imagine the price is moving below this low. I am assuming the correction has been over, but where I should take the alternate view, that is very, very important, because that is what the risk management and stop loss comes. In my opinion, Elliottwave is the best analysis tool which gives you whether you are right or wrong. I just want to explain you all that please make sure that you should trade the primary view, but always have an alternate view with levels. Okay, that is your risk management and the stop loss point. Fine. And today also, see in Nifty, okay, this is 5 minutes chart. I shared yesterday to one of my learner that there is a possibility of a correction. Okay, see like this, A, B, and C. Okay, and the price may start moving higher. This is what I analyzed and shared it with my learner. See, the levels are, see where is the low point? 25,375 approximately, and see here, September 19th. If comes, need to check between 25,355 to 25,375. I exactly got the low point, 25,376, I believe. Okay, but at the same time, I said expected support of 25,355 to 25,375, and today's low was 25,376. If price bounce back, need to check around 25,500 levels. My idea is it may reject here and come lower one more time to 25, 280 or 300 levels and start moving higher. This is my primary view. Now imagine this is my primary view. What is my alternate view? The price is moving higher. Where you will change your primary view? I will explain that too. See, today's opening was above 25,500. Okay. Usually, if it is a B wave, the price will not behave like this. But the gap up opening itself above 25,500. I prepared for alternate view that if the price crosses this high, then there will be no ABC and the price start moving higher. This is the alternate view. Friends, this is very, very important. Have always alternate view. Recently, very few are commenting that I'm always giving two views. I will not repeat this answer once again in my channel, but whoever follows the Elliottwave or whoever wishes to survive in the stock markets for a longer period, they must have an alternate view with levels. Fine. So I take this opportunity to explain this important concept of having the alternate views. And in my opinion, Elliottwave is the ultimate tool which gives you both levels. It will say whether you are right or wrong. That is very important. We cannot always write. Fine. So markets at all-time highs. Are they making a top or still some more points are left in the upside? We are going to discuss in this weekend video. And let me move to the hourly chart. Before discussing the important levels for this week, I share one long-term chart. So from that, if you approach the market, then it will be easier. See, this I shared on 26th June, okay? Almost 3 months back. See, my expectation was 26,000 plus. Even I posted 1 or 2 months before, are we reaching the 2600 or 26,200 levels in this year? The price is moving as per our expectation only. In June 26 itself, we expected approximately 26,000 levels, and today I think the high of 25,800. So this is the approach. That means this is wave 2, bigger wave 2. In that wave 3, this is 3 of 3. The bigger 3 itself not yet completed. I will show in the chart. See, daily chart. See, this is bigger wave 1 and wave 2. Is this end of wave 3? No. I believe all these are subways of wave 3. Okay, this is my expectation. So on a longer perspective, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 of 3, and 4 of 3, and 5 of 3 to complete the wave 3. If the price moves like this, then only it can match the long-term wave count of Banknifty. We are still in bigger wave 3 in Nifty. Long way to go. For the coming week, I move to hourly chart. The price is stopping at the important resistance only. So you have marked this level around 25,836. See, this 25,700 we already expected, and if you are following me for a couple of months, you can see in every chart that I have mentioned this 25,700. And for your benefit, I will include an under 3-minute video where we discussed in our previous weekend that the 25,700 levels are expected, and we need to see how it is approaching that level. I will add that video now. As per expected level of 25,250, yes, the price declines, we can expect 25,250 levels. Even if it declines, we can expect even 25,200. Okay, but the primary idea is there is a possibility of price to reach 25,250, and the price may start moving higher. This is the expectation now. If the price gets support as per the expectation of 25,250 to 25,200, then we can expect the price to reach 25,500 levels. And if you know, we already marked this level 25,700, but anyway, we will see how the price is developing. If it is a proper impulse, okay, if it is a proper impulse, then the price may move like this. Okay, This is the expectation now. But in one of our video, we expected even 2600 plus. But for that, the Bank Nifty is the key important index. In Nifty, in longer term, we said that there is a possibility of 26,000 plus. How it can go? See, for example, in a daily chart, if this is a fifth wave, okay, if this is a fifth wave, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is a chance of price to stop at 25,700 itself. But in Bank Nifty, there is a possibility of this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay. If the price starts to moving in third wave, Nifty will not stop here. Obviously, it go much higher space of 2600 to 26,200. That is what we discussed in few weeks before. So in this approach, the Bank Nifty is the key now. This is what I am saying almost a few months now. So if Bank Nifty wants to move in wave 3, of course Nifty will move much higher heights. So the next important level we need to see is how the price is approaching this 25,700. Initially, the important level is 25,500, but I believe that will complete only the wave 3, and the 4 and 5 is possible. So we need to see how the price is approaching 25,700. At the same time, what is Bank Nifty doing here? Okay, the important resistance comes to around 52,440 to 52,500. Okay, plus or minus. This is very, very important zone. The price may turn from here, or if the price crosses from this zone, it may be a very fast movement. Okay, so this zone should be crossed for more upside, right? See, we just saw that how we anticipated this 25,700 levels, and as expected, the price crossed the 25,700 and the price touched around 25,800 plus. Now the price is at resistance only, near term resistance only, and in my opinion, all this can be wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 and a 4 and 5 may still move higher considering the Bank Nifty. If I discuss about the Bank Nifty, we can correlate that. So this is the expectation for coming week. The price already at resistance around 25,800, and see how the price approaching the 25,900. The 25,900 is now important resistance zone. Only gap up above this 25,900 and keep on continuing upwards only, we can expect some 26,100 or 26,200. Immediate price resistance is between 25,800 to 25,900. Okay, we need to see how the price behaves here. So the opening is important on Monday. If gap ups and moves higher, then we can extend the waves, or else we may expect some sideways to corrective pattern, and the price may start moving higher. Even if the price declines, the important levels to watch is around 25,500 levels. Okay, if decline more, this will be the important support. Below this level only, we need to doubt whether the impulse has been completed or not. So the expectation is the opening is important on Monday, and if the price slightly dips and moves higher slowly, we need to see between 25,800 to 25,900. The price already at resistance, and we need to see how the price reacts here. If declines, most probably this could be only a wave 4, and still one more high to 26,000 is possible, and we will discuss how the price declines. Okay, if declines, we may expect some support around 25,500, and the worst case 25,280, 300 levels. Till this level, the impulse is valid. Okay, this is the approach on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, before discussing the Bank Nifty, let me share the long-term chart which I posted on a couple of months back. See, this is Bank Nifty weekly chart, and I shared on 6th June. During this fall, I expected that wave 3 can start, that is wave 3 of 3. Okay, wave 3 of 3 can start in banks, and you can correlate now why I am saying the Bank Nifty is the primary index to decide the trend, because the Bank Nifty moves in 3 of 3. Obviously, Nifty also will move upwards. Okay, and the expectation is higher, and this 3 will not move directly like this. It will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the broader level idea. So with this idea, see, I will share the weekly chart again, the same chart. Okay, I not change anything. So probably this is wave 1 and wave 2 like this, the price may go. Okay, the same chart as per the expectation. As of now, the price moving. This impulse is only wave 3 of 3. Okay, this impulse and the 4 and 5. So we need to see how far this wave 3 goes, right? So now we are in 3 of 3 of 3 in weekly chart in this idea. So what we can expect in next week? See, the price again already at the resistance of 54,000, and I posted in X that 53,750 is reachable, and the price reached exactly 53,700 and gave a short pullback and again started moving higher. Anyway, the price has been crossed the important resistance of 53,800. So as we discussed in Nifty, we need to see the important level of 54,200. Yes, the price in already resistance. There's 54,000 to 54,200 itself a resistance. So we need to see the price moves higher in slow phase. This 54,200 can be the resistance. But suppose on Monday gap ups above this level and moves higher, we may expect the next level of 54,500 to 54,700. But primarily we need to see how the price reacts here. All these can be again, if it completes 3, F4 and 5 may move like this. This can match the Nifty counts also. Okay, F4 and 5, F4 and 5. If the price declines here itself, that means 54,000 to 54,200, the minimum retracement level is 53,300, and the next level of retracement can be 52,800. Okay, these are the support points if the price comes lower. The initial expectation is 53,300. Okay, and based on the decline we can expect another low or not, but for that the price needs to decline between 54,000 to 54,200. Monday opening is very important, and the price already in resistance only, so we need to see how the price reacts at this zone. Only gap up above this zone and moving higher, we may expect these levels. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty at resistance only. Based on Monday opening, we can decide, are we going for a pullback or moving higher. My primary assumption is there is a possibility of a sideways or pullback can be seen in the next week. Okay, after that only we may see a one more high. See, the one more high is still possible in the markets. That is my primary assumption in broader markets, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is the approach on Bank Nifty now, and we shared the important levels also. And in broader markets, so this one small cap 100. See, I marked the 22,000 as the important zone. Yes, it is achievable if the Bank Nifty keeps on moving in wave 3. It is acceptable, but for that the waves needs to extend. Okay, we need to see how the price reacts. Even this correction a couple of days before, we discussed in our previous week that the price not cross this high, the small cap may come one more lower and start moving higher. This I explained in our previous week also. So one more high is still possible. The support levels are 18,700. Okay, approximately. So one more high is still possible in the broader markets. And mid cap 150. See, the price is trading at 22,256. Let me share one chart on mid cap 150, which I shared on 6th June. See, the expected level is 22,836 when it was trading around 19,000. Okay, now the price is approaching 22,250, almost close to our expectation. The price can reach the level. We need to see first 22,530 and 22,800. As I repeatedly saying, we need to see the important levels, and from this level we may face some resistance, and this 22,800 is the minimum requirement for this extended waves. If small cap wants to move higher, then mid cap 150 also start moving higher. So this is the update on broader markets. So basically, in my opinion, after a sideways or pullback, there is a possibility of one more high in the markets. So next we are going to see the crude oil. See, as per expectation, the price got support. We expected 65 to 66, and the low was 64. And as I said before, we need to watch this level 63.6 approximately. Below this level only we need to take some bearish stance, or else this can become a support. And let me check in hourly. See, hourly, yes, this is a resistance now. Okay, breaking above this point, the price may reach this level 72.70 approximately, because as of now I'm not able to find the impulse, and I expected one more low. In previous weekend I said one more low is possible in crude oil. So far the price is bouncing and not shown any pullback. So if the price rejects here, okay, around 71.4, and in a hourly chart comes below this point 67.7, okay, then we can expect a one more low, or else a breakout and the price may start moving higher. Even though if the price breakout from this level, have a glance at this level. If the price moves slowly, this level can pose some resistance. If crosses this level, yes, the price may move upside. So this is the update on crude oil. And silver, the price is moving as per our expectation, and we expected $32, and the price so far reached 31.7, and this can also be a resistance. Okay, so even though we're expecting 32, why I'm saying this also can be the resistance, because the wave 4 is little deeper than expected. There are some concepts in waves, so the price needs to cross above this level of 31.7 to reach, or try to reach the $32. Okay, or if the price wants to move higher, it may take an impulsive move like 1, 2, 3 like this, and it may give a breakout, and we may expect a $34 also. We discussed in weekend analysis, the initial expectation is 32 and 34. Okay, then we can discuss next weekend. This is what we anticipated in previous weekend analysis. So we need to see whether this price crossing this 32 directly, or coming lower and crossing above this high. Okay, that is what now important. And let me check in 15 minutes. So the price needs to cross above this high for further highs, or else the price may give some correction and may start moving higher. Okay, the option is this one. The price may give a breakout above $32, or if the price wants to give a breakout in this wave itself, this may move like this. Okay, so we need to watch how the price is reacting here. Okay, this is the view on silver. See, when the price trading here, we expected the price to reach 32. So now the price is moving around 32. So we need to give some time for price to confirm what it is doing, right? So we cannot take view on every day. We need to give some time for confirmation. This is our entry point, and this is our waiting time to confirmation. This is our entry point. This is our exit point for trading. Okay, I have shown entry, exit, everything. The entry is best at the turning points. So we should take a view only on the turning points, and we need to watch the price, and we need to give some time and waves to perform its price action. Fine. So this is the update on silver and natural gas. See, as per expectation, The price reached 2.43, and I have shown the example how I anticipated the price to reach 2.4 here from here. Okay, in previous weekend I explained this concept, and exactly the price rejected. Even I remember in our previous weekend analysis I said the price, there are two options: it may reject here, pull back, and may move higher, or directly move higher. So this is the reaction zone we need to see, and as per expectation the price giving a pullback. So now this is not yet an impulse as of now, so it can become an impulse, and for that the price needs to give a breakout above this point so that the extension waves may continue on upside. And in last weekend I expected some levels on upside. I believe this point and this zone. So both levels we expected, the price gives a breakout, $2.56 to $2.67. Suppose if the price declines, the most important support can be, okay, if the price declines, this can be the important support between 2.16 to 2.12. When this bullish price action invalid if the price comes below this point, $2. So if the price gives a breakout, the price may move higher, and if the price comes below here, this is the important turning point. But if the price comes fast below this point, we need to think about the other options also. Okay, this is the approach on natural gas. So from this video I'm going to discuss one stock, and that is SAIL, Steel Authority of India. Many subscribers and many followers asking for this chart, and price is nearing the support level or already reached the turning point. So I thought of taking this example, and these are not any recommendations. I'm sharing only these levels and charts only for learning the Elliottwave. So don't take it as any sort of recommendations. Fine. The SAIL chart, the price is trading around 126. So let me explain the chart now. This one took the screenshot on 21st August. During this time, I have a doubt that this can be a double bottom, and I have seen many charts in the X that the correction has been completed on SAIL. But considering the wave characters and the internal subways, I thought the price may reject at 136, around 136, and it may reach 121 approximately. This I expected on 21st August. Okay, and you see the price rejected at, what is this level, maybe 138. I expected 136 around, or 137 almost. So the price rejected exactly around my expected level and started moving lower, and so far the low made is around 123.5. okay, this is the level I expected on 21st August, and the price is approaching now. So what we can expect now? See, rejected as per expectation and approaching the support between 121 to 118 can be the support point. Either an ending diagonal or normal impulse can appear. This is not a normal impulse. The impulse has been completed here, but again made a one more low. So I doubt that there is a possibility of, if the price makes a one more low. Okay, it's not compulsory because the price already reached the important support. There is a possibility that the price may take an ending diagonal like this. We need to see how the price is approaching our level. Okay, like this. There is a possibility. One more low is possible in SAIL, and we don't know whether the low will reach the 121 levels or not, but as of now it's moving as per expectation. So if it comes below this 123.5 levels, that is previous low, and these levels 121 to 108 can be the important turning point. But remember, the price needs to come slower. If gaps down or moving in fast manner, then these levels should be reanalyzed again. So my primary assumption is this 121 to 118 can be the turning point for this SAIL, on a larger perspective, this is wave 3 and wave 4. Okay, remove this, wave 4, and wave 5 may proceed. So this is the expectation now. This is how we should anticipate a turning point in any stock or index, because turning point is the area where the best risk reward will come. All these risk and reward are decided at the turning points. My course main objective is to identify these turning points. In my course, I have explained even this turning point. I have shared with the reasons and how to identify it, and I shared these levels. Okay, this turning point, how I identified this turning point. See, so if you really wish to learn the Elliott waves, and if you really want to become an expert in Elliott waves, you can register my course. With the help of my course, you can identify all the turning points with precise levels. See, while talking about the precise level, don't always expect one level. Okay, there should be a zone. If you notice my post or videos, I always mention 2 levels. And the common doubt across all subscribers and followers regarding registration of course is how the doubts will be resolved. I will support you in resolving your doubts, queries, and reviewing your charts for the period of 1 year. See, the course validity is 1 year, so don't worry about the doubt solving. And probably you will not get concept-wise doubts, because my course is 100% practical. You already know that a lot of examples in the course, 350 plus charts. While releasing the course time was approximately 15 plus hours, and now another 3 hours of videos has been added to the course. So probably you will not get doubts in the concept wise. Once you start counting the waves in the charts, you may get doubt, and for that you can mail, and I will review the charts for the period of 1 year, so that all your doubts will be resolved. I hope this will clarify your doubts. So if you like my work, and if you wish to get the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe my channel. And if you wish to learn the Elliottwave in a proper way and a practical way, you can register my course. All the details in the description. Thank you. Trade safe. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Take care. Bye.